Hello, YouTube. Like my new glasses? I know I haven't been on for a long time. A lot of stuff have happened, especially last month. But I'm getting better, and I'm going to a Renaissance fair. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to go to this Renaissance fair. I'm going on Sunday with a friend, and it's in Gainesville, and I cannot wait. It's going to be awesome. I'm even going to be dressing up. I'm going to wear a dress. And of course, I'll see if I can videotape it when I get there. I got the TV reflection in my glasses. And you see, I shaved my head. The shaved head part works great when it's hot out. I'm still doing my nails. Mother nuggets of all. So everything in life is going great. Lena, my mom's mare, is having a baby. And Lulu is back home and all trained up. And let's see. Barbie now has a new home. I'm going Miss Barbie. So when I had a little accident last month, it now prevented me to ride for some time. So now I gotta get retrained to be able to ride. And I'm actually quite excited. I'm going to get trained by this one lady that my parents know, and she is awesome. And I mean, awesome trainer. She has her own little quirks here and there, and that's what makes it fun. Aww. Mama Gina is still riding. I need to get Ricky Bird his food. Oh, this is just a simple update on the simple life. I don't know if I can rotate the camera. Nope, I cannot rotate the camera. My baby boos! Good. And the puppy. Hi, Lilo. Yeah, precious babies. You gotta love your fur babies. Well, good night, YouTube. You guys take care.